At Bagnall UK, we are proud to have a proven track record for delivering high-end demolition and asbestos removal projects throughout the UK. Our business is to remove anything that's in your way. We take derelict and redundant obstructions and deliver a blank canvas for you to work with. One of our more complex projects was the demolition and asbestos removal of an industrial facility on Leyland Business Park.
The work involved the demolition of a redundant Tyvek building on the business park. The building was in a bad condition when we arrived and contained some hazardous materials, notifiable asbestos, which was removed prior to any demolition works. It also contained asbestos roofing sheets, some mercuries and chemicals, which again were removed under controlled conditions. The building was demolished and the slab and foundations were removed and crushed to be reused on the site to form a car park. The challenge we came across was some asbestos which was used as shuttering under concrete slabs. As we found this, we stopped work, samples were taken and these came back as positive. The client was also informed. The material was segregated, loaded into waste and taken to a licensed tip. The health and safety on the site has been managed using safe working procedures. Method statements have been produced and risk assessments. All operatives have been inducted and toolbox talks are given on a regular basis. We've recycled the waste by segregation. We segregate all the components, that being asbestos, steel, timber, general waste. These go on to recycling facilities, apart from the asbestos which has to go to a licensed landfill site. We've kept environmental impacts to a minimum, using water for dust suppression, both during the demolition and crushing operations.
Bagnall's proactive approach and modern solutions provide excellent results for our clients. Contact us for more information about demolition and asbestos removal inquiries.